I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Escape side mirror. First, gather your necessary tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror assembly. Safety is key, so wear safety glasses and gloves. Before starting, verify your new mirror is the correct fit for your specific Ford Escape model, ensuring all features like heating or power adjustments align. This preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This reveals the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Locate the electrical connector and carefully disconnect it. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts securing the mirror. Use your screwdriver to remove them. Support the mirror as you remove the last bolt to prevent it from falling. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly into place, aligning the mounting holes. Insert and tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts securely. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. Before replacing the door panel, test all mirror functions, including power adjustment, turn signals, and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Ensure all clips snap into place and all screws are tightened to secure it firmly. Give the new mirror a gentle shake to confirm it is stable and properly aligned with your Ford Escape. Finally, clean the mirror surface with a glass cleaner for crystal clear visibility. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.